Hey everyone, this is just a short Elvanto tutorial on departments, what a department is, how you update it, and why that's important. So the first thing we want to do is jump over to gatewaychurchtaz.elvanto.com.au and log in. If you have any issues logging in, just email me at elvanto@gatewaychurch.net.au. We'll go ahead and log in. So a department, first and foremost, the main place you will see it is in the volunteer area of a service. So each of these boxes is actually a department. You've got the worship leaders, whatever it is. There's quite a few that are hidden here. You won't see the Heaven's Kitchen departments on this list because it's a youth service and things like that. So the department is where we roster people to. But what we can actually do with departments is add people to that department as well. There's two main reasons that we would add someone to a department. The first reason is it makes your life a lot easier. Let's take audio technician, for example. Let's say that you do the rostering for the audio technician. You'll click on here to add your roster. And you'll see that these 5 people who come up here are the 5 people who have already been added to that department. So instead of you having to remember who's on your team and who's been rostered, the people on your team will automatically pop up then and there. So adding people to departments makes your life way easier. The flip side of departments, which I can't really show you, is that we use them to do a lot of reporting. All of our safety checks that get run to know whether someone on your team has, they're working with vulnerable people checks expired or something like that. It actually requires this information to be updated so that we know who's on your team to do that. So that's kind of the why it's important. Now I'd love to show you how to update them. What I'll show you first is not how to update them, but it's how to see who is currently on that team. So that information I just showed you, let's say that you want to know exactly who is on the audio technician team at the moment. Jump over to People, Advanced Search. In this box here, we'll search Department. Now this is a list of all the departments. So let's just use a different example instead of audio technician. Say you wanted to know everyone who's on the prayer team. They might be a different role in the prayer team, but you want to know they're on the prayer team. You'd select that. Then we'll run our search. And these are all the people who are under the department prayer. That list might need updating, might need people coming off it, might need people adding to it. So let's just say that, for example, we need to take someone off this team. What you do is you click on their name and go to their profile. Towards the bottom of the profile, you will see departments here. And if you want to get rid of it, you would just click the X and click Save. Now let's do the reverse. Say that you've got someone new joining your team. You would once again come to their profile, you would go Add, and then you would find your department, depending on who it's under, close and save. It really is that easy to add people to departments or take them away. It's really helpful for me and for us as a church that you keep your departments updated, but it also makes your life a lot easier when it comes to rostering. So it would be great if you could get in the habit of, when someone joins your team, just get in the habit of adding them to that department. Or maybe you just need to create a monthly routine where you update your lists through the advanced search that we ran before. But that's basically all there is to it. I would love it if you could remember to do this on a monthly basis or whatever works for you. If you have any questions at all, or you're not seeing some of these things on the menu that you think you should be seeing, just email me at elvanto@gatewaychurch.net.au. Thanks.